According to Cognitive Market Research, the global mining locomotive market size is $2,251.2 million in 2023 and will expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 4.2% from 2023 to 2030. Market drivers: emphasis on safety and automation in mining operations to propel market growth, market restraints, capital-intensive nature of locomotive procurement to restrict market growth. Get to know about the competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more by requesting Sample Page's latest published market research copy.